Now we are going to learn about prioritization techniques. After generating many ideas, during ideation, the next step is to choose which ideas or features should be implemented first. Prioritization helps focus on what is most important, most useful, and most feasible. The key techniques are Moscow method, dot voting, CARS method. Let's see each technique one by one. Moscow method. Moscow is a method which is used to classify features based on 4 priority levels. The 4 priority levels are must have, should have, could have, and won't have. This method is widely used in product development and sprint planning. Must have features. These are the critical requirements or features that are essential for the project's success. Without these features, the product or system cannot function properly. Should have features. These are the features which are important but not absolutely necessary for launch. The project can still work without them, but their absence may reduce effectiveness. Could have features. These are desirable features that adds extra value for user satisfaction. These features are usually implemented if there are resources available and have enough time. Won't have features. These are the features which are not necessary for now, means these features can be excluded in the current phase. These features may be considered for future releases or updates. With the help of these 4 priority levels, we can able to choose the best idea from the ideation phase. Dot voting method. Dot voting is a simple democratic method where team members vote for the ideas they think that are most important. Each member gets a set number of votes and they place their votes on the ideas based on their preference. How this dot voting method works. First, list all the ideas on sticky notes that we got from ideation techniques. Give 3 to 5 dots to every member in the team. And every member should place dots on their top choices. Finally, choose the top ideas which have most dots. CARS method. The CARS method is a simple framework used to evaluate and prioritize ideas, tasks, or features based on 4 important factors which are cost, advantage, risky, strategic fit. Here is the breakdown of CARS method. C represents cost. This cost factor evaluates the budget, time, and resources required to implement the idea, and lower cost items are often prioritized. A represents advantage. The advantage factor identifies the benefits or value provided by the idea to users or to the organization. Higher impact ideas get higher priority. R represents risk. This risk factor assesses the potential risks, uncertainties, or challenges involved. Lower risk items are safer to implement first. S represents strategic fit. This factor checks whether the idea aligns with business goals, vision, or not. Ideas that strongly support strategy are prioritized. Conclusion. We can say that these prioritization techniques help teams to focus on what truly matters. They provide a clear and structured way to evaluate ideas based on importance, impact, cost, and strategy. By using these methods, teams can make better decisions, save time and resources, and ensure successful project outcomes.